Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So again today we are going to review one product from Mamaearth, and why I'm saying again is because I have already reviewed one of their products, which was the charcoal face wash. And if you haven't seen that review yet, then the link will be mentioned in the description box below. You can go and check it out. And today we are going to review this product from Mamaearth. This is the C3 charcoal face mask, no, only C3 face mask with charcoal, coffee and clay. And this, I'm going to tell you in the last whether you should buy it or not, because this retails for rupees 600, and I'm guessing you don't want to invest your money like that, like without knowing anything about a particular product. So if you want to know whether you should invest your money in this product or not, then you have to watch this video till the end. Alright, so talking about the price, this retails for rupees 599, which is almost 600, and I bought it in a combo wherein I was getting the charcoal face wash too. And if you don't know, if you haven't watched the review, let me tell you here that I really loved that face wash. So I was trying to buy this also for a very long time, but when I saw that this is coming in a combo pack, then I thought why not. And I heard that this charcoal range of Mamaearth is really good, and this actually the combo was for rupees 799. But again, if you buy something from their own website, you will get extra 20% off if you have a coupon code. So I don't have a coupon code of my own, but I will link some of them in the description box below. So whenever you are buying it, do not forget to apply that coupon code to get 20% off of your purchases. And yes, so that's how I got it for around 627 rupees. Yes, for 627 rupees I got both the things, this face mask as well as that charcoal face wash that I use. So in here you get 100 ml of product, and this tub is quite huge. Like it will last you for about 3 to 4 months if you are using it twice a week. I personally use it once a week, and that's enough for me. So you get the lid as well to protect the product inside, and if you open it, there's the product, and you get a lot of product in here, and a little bit goes a long way, so you don't require a lot. It doesn't have a very strong perfume. It smells like clay, and the texture is okay. It's not very smooth. Like if you have used the Good Vibes charcoal mask, I used to use the Good Vibes charcoal mask before buying this, and the texture was extremely smooth of that mask. And actually it was quite disappointing because that product didn't do anything for me. It was neither too good nor too bad. That's why I wanted to try something else, and hence I bought this. So let's quickly read what it says. This is a C3 face mask with charcoal, coffee and clay, and what it claims is brightens and tightens skin, reduces acne and pimples, made with natural ingredients. So one thing here is that they only mention their key ingredients here, okay, not all the ingredients. So this is a huge list of ingredients, and I will insert the picture of this or the video of this in the middle of the video. You can stop and read it because it's a very long list of ingredients. I cannot read it out here. Let me tell you how to use this. If you're wearing any makeup, then remove it with your normal makeup remover, then wash your face with a face wash. I personally use the charcoal face wash, and then I follow it up with this mask. And both men and women can use it, and I personally use the brush to apply this mask, but you can totally use your fingers too. And one more thing, if you're applying your mask, do not like rub it over and over because it tends to move from its place. So yeah, keep that in mind. And just after 10 to 15 minutes, wash your face with normal water. Now finally I'll tell you whether or not you should buy this mask and what I think about this mask. So even before applying it, I was little skeptical about it. Like I was thinking that it's gonna make my skin very dry, given it has all the ingredients like charcoal and clay. They are supposed to deep clean your skin, so hence it can make your skin a little bit dry. But it did not make my skin dry at all. Instead, it just makes my skin so soft and supple just after one use, and it made my skin squeaky clean. And when you apply this, it gives you a little bit of cooling sensation, and I personally really enjoyed it. I don't know how the sensitive skin people are going to, you know, react to this cooling sensation, but it was so refreshing for me. And as far as this claim is concerned, where it says it reduces the acne and pimples, I don't know, yeah, it might, because it deep cleans your skin so that the oil and the sebum production is controlled, and the dirt is completely drawn out of your pores. So that way it might help a little bit to your acne problem, but I don't know how effective that can be for your pimples. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you're looking for a mask and if you want to try this out, do not think twice. I am telling you, it's not gonna let you down. And yeah, so if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, then this is my handle given here, and please give it a follow.